Okay, so that was pretty cool. The Iberian ham was delicious, and the cheese was delicious. Did he just? So that was quite an experience, like going in there. That was like really cool. That's like in Chatuchak in Bangkok. So I'm definitely coming back here while I'm here in Barcelona. They have so much food. So yeah, I want to try the olives. I want to try the burrito. I want to try the. What else? Now I forgot. I'm gonna have to just watch the video and see what I want. Oh, look at this one! Look, there's Marilyn Monroe. Oh my gosh! Wow, there's like so many people. Okay, since there's so many people, I'm gonna tell my story. So today, I got the breakfast buffet at the hostel for €7. So I had like a sandwich with, well, you make your own sandwich, so I put ham and cheese and cucumber and tomatoes. And then I had the yogurt, and I had egg, and I had 3 glasses of peach juice. And then, like, after I ate, like, I felt nauseous again. You know, like, I said yesterday I felt nauseous because of the train ride. So I was in bed for like an hour, and then I couldn't take it anymore. Like, I felt nauseous, I felt like throwing up. So I actually threw up. I threw up all the foods. Like, that was like €7 that I threw up. Anyway, here's more architecture. Look at that. That looks really nice. It looks new. So I asked ChatGPT what I should be eating. I said, like, don't eat like big meals. Just eat like small meals more often. And then try to eat like bananas. Don't eat anything spicy. Don't eat anything fried. So I'll try that and see if my stomach will feel better. Right now, like, I'm not nauseous anymore because I threw up all the foods. Like, right after I threw up the food, I was fine. Oh, wow, look at this. That looks really cool. Oh my gosh. What is that? And look at that building right there. And that building. And that building. Oh, they have hummus. Lebanese grill. I want hummus. So, anyway, so I hope that by eating the ham and cheese, the Iberian ham and cheese, it wasn't a lot, so hopefully I'm not gonna throw up, or I'm not gonna, like, my stomach's not gonna hurt, or that I won't feel nauseous. Ooh, look at this one. The Teatre del Liceu. That's pretty cool, and it's pretty huge too. Look at that. There's, from that corner all the way to here, it's like, it takes up like half a block at least. So I don't remember walking this way 6 years ago when I was in Barcelona. Weird. But yeah, like 6 years ago, we didn't have ChatGPT back then, so I think I was just using Google to like find the top attractions. So I don't think this was this was listed. And then look at that building right there. I like the corner buildings. They look elegant. And here's like the walking tours or group tours. And look at that! Look at that building right there. It looks really cool. Wow! 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 All I can say is wow. So now I need to figure out like where I'm going to stay for the 16 days while I wait for Glenda, my aunt, to meet me in Paris. I mean, for me to meet them in Paris. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna. Well, I'm either just gonna go home after Madrid and not see them, or stay here in Spain, here in Barcelona and Madrid.
Tú tienes que ver mi armario, ¿eh?
Now look at these. Look at that. It looks really cool. Look at the design on the lights. So cool. Look, paellas. And there's no prices. What the hell? Oh yeah, so yeah, I want to try the paellas. Why don't they have prices? My gosh. I guess they don't want to shock the customers. Look at this, like none of them have prices. Or is it like variable pricing? Depends on who's eating. Look at that. Dang, there's so many people. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. Okay, Paris wasn't like this. I think there's like way more people than Paris.
That's my phone.
Look at that building right there. I like the design on the walls. Ooh, tapas. So here they have tapas. So that's a tapas. It's not like tapa in the Philippines. So, oh, I want the ham top. Oh, that's okay. Sorry, thanks. Oh, they have paellas right there. I want salad. I want the Caesar salad. So yesterday I bought, it says Caesar salad, but it's not really Caesar salad because like Caesar salad is like romaine salad, romaine lettuce, but it didn't have romaine lettuce. It was like mixed greens. So yeah, that's what I had yesterday all day, and and I didn't get nauseous after I ate. So I think I need to eat like less, like, you know, light meal and just a lot of salad. And I'm pointing to myself because like there's so many people. We're just gonna see their backs. But this is so cool. They have so many places to eat right here, outside, and they all have paellas and pika pika. Oh, pika pika! Oh my God, they have Pikachu. Pika pika! Pika Pikachu.
Yeah?
Oh no, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. Oh, they have a cable car. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? Oh, but he wants like donation, so I'm not gonna point my camera there. But look at that one. Oh, there's so many people. Look at that, there's so many people. Jesus, I love the houses. Look at that. Looks so cool. I wonder how long I've been walking, like since the beginning of the La Ramblas. I gotta check it out on Google Maps and let you know. But I think that's the statue of Columbus, from what I remember. And we're getting near to the water, like the waterfront. And I think I'm gonna check out the beach because the weather's pretty nice right now. Oh look, here's another street performer. So just by seeing all the tourists here in Barcelona, I think Spain probably has like one of the most visitors, like tourist visitors in the world right now, because there's just so many people. My gosh. And look at the all the people behind. Like, look at the crowd. There's just so many people. I know I can't stop talking about the people because there's just so many of them. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're getting near that. Yeah, so I think it is Columbus. And then look at that. Wow, that's a stunning building. Oh, and then look at that building right there. Gosh. They all look nice. Okay, how am I gonna get around? How am I gonna get to the beach? I need to go to the beach each. Let's go get away. Okay, I think I'm gonna go this way. So I'm probably gonna have a hard time figuring out what thumbnail to put on my YouTube videos because I haven't really taken like any photos, just that one, I think. Look. Okay, maybe I'll take a picture of this one and I can use that as a thumbnail.